Sing along song. Swim, 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 short harp, in the ocean blue so dark. Harp, swish your tail and glide away. Come and play with me today. Swim, swim, swish your tail long, make a splash and never fail. Clap your hands and sing along, ocean friends all day long. Mommy shark swims so slow, teaching baby where to go. Daddy shark is big and strong, singing this fun ocean song. Swim, swim, swish your tail, run, make a splash and never fail. Clap your hands and sing along, ocean friends all day long. Fish go wiggle side to side, octopus waves with arms so wide. Turtles swim so calm and slow, underwater friends say hello. Can you swim? Move your hands. Can you splash? Yes, you can. Turn around and touch the sea. Come and swim along with me. Swim, swim, swish your tail line. Happy sharks go splash and play. Sing it loud, shout hooray. Ocean friend, every low. Splash, splash, here we go. Under the sea, down below. Clap your hands and swim with me. Let's explore the deep blue sea. Swim, swim, side to side. In the ocean we will glide. Up and down and all around. Underwater fun we found. Little fish, go swish, swish, swish. Wiggly tails swim like this. Red fish, blue fish, yellow too. So many colors just for you. Big fish, small fish, swimming free. Come along and follow me. Wave your arms and swish your tail. Through the ocean we will sail. Swim, swim, side to side. In the ocean we will glide. Up and down and all around. Underwater fun we found. Octopus with arms so wide. Wiggle, wiggle, side to side. Jellyfish go bounce and glow. Floating softly, nice and slow. Crabby walks sideways on sand. Snap, snap, with its claws so grand. Underwater friends we see, dancing in the deep blue sea. Swim, swim, side to side. In the ocean we will glide. Up and down and all around. Underwater fun we found. Turtles swim so calm and slow. Through the waves it likes to go. Seahorse drifting small and sweet, moving gently with the beat. Dolphins jump up in the air, splashing water everywhere. Dive down deep and up we go. Ocean wonders we will know. Swim, swim, side to side. In the ocean we will glide. Up and down and all around. Underwater fun we found. Big shark swims, swish, swish, glide. Don't be scared, it's a friendly ride. Whale goes whoosh, big and wide, singing songs beneath the tide. Look around, what do you see? So much life beneath the sea. Big and small, fast and slow. Ocean friends say hello. Swim like a fish, swish, swish, swish. Wiggle like an octopus, wiggle, wiggle. Float like jellyfish, up and down. Snap like crabs, clap, clap, clap. Jump like dolphins, splash, splash. Glide like turtles, slow and smooth. Big wave arms like a whale. Now freeze! like a shell. Swim, swim, side to side. In the ocean we will glide. Up and down and all around. Underwater fun we found. Let's move slowly like the sea. Swim, float, glide. Now let's go faster. Swim, swim, splash, splash, dive, dive, go. Up, down, round, round, fast we go. Ocean friends are fun to see. Come and swim along with me. Swim, swim, side to side. In the ocean we will glide. We had fun beneath the sea. Hip, hip, hooray for you and me. Wave goodbye to ocean friends. Our adventure never ends. Sing again and you will see. Underwater fun for you and me. Yeah!
Down on the farm where the sun shines bright,
Animals wake up at the morning light.
come hear the story, come sing along.
Farm animal friends in a happy song.
Rooster crows cock-a-doodle-doo.
Hen clucks softly, lays eggs of blue.
Duck says quack, quack by the pond so still.
Goose honks loudly on the hillside hill.
Pig rolls in mud, says oink, oink, oink.
Sheep goes bow bow
With their woolly pink, horse neighs whinny.
trotting round the field.
Cow moves deeply, milk for every meal.
Farm animals, what do they say?
Rooster crows,
Duck quacks all day. Pig says oink, cow says moo.
sing along. We love the farmyard crew.
Farm animals, story so fun.
From morning till night,
Everyone
dog barks,
chasing balls around.
cat meows softly, sleeps without a sound.
Goat says mama, climbs up on the fence.
Donkey brays,
Hee-haw!
he's got no pretense.
Rabbit hops quickly.
Thump, thump, thump,
Chicken scratches dirt.
peck, peck, clump.
Turkey gobbles loud with feathers so fine.
Sheepdog herd sheep in a perfect line. Farm animals,
What do they say?
dog goes woof.
Cat meows all day.
Goat says ma, donkey hee-haw too.
Sing along.
We love the farmyard crew. Farm animals,
Story so fun.
from morning till night.
Everyone
All the animals line up single file.
Rooster leads with his morning smile.
Cows and horses march 2 by 2.
Pigs and ducks make a happy crew.
Sheep and goats follow close behind.
Dog keeps order,
So gentle and kind.
cat rides donkey, what a funny sight.
Farm animal parade from morning till night.
Owl hoots when the stars come out.
Horse dreams of meadows without a doubt.
Pig snores softly in his muddy bed.
Sheep count stars with their woolly head.
Cow rests quiet.
Dog guards the gate.
Rooster sleeps till the morning's late.
Farm animals dreaming sweet dreams tonight.
Happy farm story.
Everything's right.
Farm animals, what do they say?
Rooster crows,
Duck quacks all day.
pig says oink,
Cow says moo.
sing along. We love the farmyard crew.
Farm animals,
Story complete. 20 friends from their heads to feet.
clap your hands, stomp along too.
Farm animals, we love you.
Farm animals sleeping.
The story is done.
Sing it again.
When you want more fun.
Down on the farm where the sun shines bright.
Good night, animals. Sweet dreams tonight.
fluffy sheep say ba ba ba. Let's sing animal sounds today. Clap your hands and shout hooray. Woof, meow, moo, ba. Sing with me wherever you are. Lion goes roar, 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 right. Hear him loud, he's king for sure. Duck goes quack, 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 check. Waddle, waddle, quack, quack, quack. Can you stomp like an elephant? Can you hop like a bunny, jump, yum? Flap your arms like a bird in the sky. Let's all try, let's all try. Let's sing animal sounds today. Happy animals shout hooray. Roar, quack, hop and play. Animal fun every day. Come along, let's go today to the jungle far away. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Jungle fun is here to stay. Jungle, jungle, here we go. Through the trees and down below. Swing and jump and shout, hooray! On our jungle adventure day. Monkeys swinging in the trees. Jumping high and feeling free. Swing left, swing right. Hold on tight with all your might. Chatter, chatter, jump around. Little feet don't touch the ground. Clap your hands and swing with me. Like the monkeys in the trees. Jungle, jungle, here we go. Through the trees and down below. Swing and jump and shout, hooray! On our jungle adventure day. Lions walking strong and proud. Roaring big and roaring loud. Stomp your feet and shake your mane. Hear that mighty jungle rain. Roar up high, roar down low. Move real slow, then ready, go! King of jungle, bold and bright. Lions shine with all their might. Jungle, jungle, here we go. Through the trees and down below. Swing and jump and shout, hooray! On our jungle adventure day. Elephants go stomp, stomp, stomp. Big long trunks go swamp, swamp, swamp. Spray some water in the air. Splashing drops go everywhere. Big ears flap from side to side. Take a gentle jungle ride. Heavy steps go boom, boom, boom. Making lots of jungle room. Jungle, jungle, here we go. Through the trees and down below. Swing and jump and shout, hooray! On our jungle adventure day. Parrots flying in the sky. Bright colors as they fly by. Flap your arms and soar so high. Wave hello as you glide by. Tweet, tweet, chirp, chirp sound. Jungle music all around. Sing along and flap with me. Like the birds in jungle trees. Jungle, jungle, here we go. Through the trees and down below. Swing and jump and shout, hooray! On our jungle adventure day. Slither, slither on the ground. Quiet moves without a sound. Wiggle left and wiggle right. Sliding smooth and oh so light. Through the grass and under trees. Moving slowly with the breeze. Can you slither just like me? Jungle fun for you to see. Swing like monkeys. Woo-hoo! Roar like lions. Roar! Stomp like elephants. Stomp, stomp. Flap like birds. Flap, flap. Slither like snakes. Jump up high. Boing, boing. Now freeze adventure day. Let's move slowly through the jungle. Swing, stomp, roar, flip, slither. Now let's go faster. Swing, swing, stomp, stomp, roar, 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 go. Flap, flap, slither, fast or slow. Jump and laugh and dance all day. Jungle fun is here to stay. Jungle, jungle, here we go. Through the trees and down below. We had fun, hip, hip, hooray. On our jungle adventure day. Wave goodbye to jungle friends. Our adventure never